Hey guys, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make your own animated subscribe button with a finger without green screens. So you're going to need PHONTO and iMovie to do this. So first you're going to look for your background. You can type on Google Tumblr background, or if you already have yours, then that's perfect. Next, you're going to go to Google and type subscribe button. So you're going to look for a subscribe button that doesn't have a background. So transparent subscribe button would be perfect. Then you're also going to look for fingers without a background too, transparent background, so that you can use it and it won't affect your video or how it looks or the outcome. So when you have all of that, you go to PHONTO. I already started one, so I'm going to restart it. So when you go to PHONTO, you import your background, the one you plan on using. Then when you I put the wrong background. Let me change. Yeah, so when you get your background, you basically just then you click on side and put add image, and then you add the subscribe button you got from the internet. Then after that, you can either increase the subscribe button or like reduce it, however you want. So after that, you add image again, go to the side and press add image. Then you click on the finger you downloaded. So I'm gonna make it really small. So pay attention to this detail. So I'm gonna make it small and I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the page. And when it's at the bottom of the page, I am going to click save. Then I'm going to move it up. So after you move it up a little bit again, you click save. Make sure it's in a straight line so that it doesn't look scattered. Then you put it finally on the subscribe button and click save. So then after this is gonna help with the animation. After this, you go to iMovie. I already started one, so I'm gonna restart again. So you start adding the pictures you got from PHONTO one by one, all the 3 pictures. So make sure it's in order, the big one, this one at the bottom, then the one that you put in the middle, then the one that's touching the subscribe button. So make sure it's in that order. So when you've gotten all the pictures, iMovie does this thing where the pictures move around, so you have to press key burns. Then you disable the Ken burn, sorry. So you disable it for each one. So after you disable it for everyone, there are also little animations that iMovie adds. So you put none, so that none like pops up, so it doesn't slide or it doesn't move at all after it transitions from one picture to the other. So yeah, I pressed none, changed it. Also, the pictures are like for a long time, like the seconds iMovie puts, it's like a really long time. So I reduced the seconds to like a really short time so that when they're transitioning, it's not going to be such a long time before it transitions. See, it's much faster than when it was before. So now I'm going to add an effect. Sound effect towards the last slide, so when it touches the subscribe button you hear like a ping noise. So type in ping in the sound effect and use. So make sure it's at the end, so when it like touches the subscribe button you hear ping. Also, I'm gonna make the subscribe button look bigger in the last slide for more effect. You don't have to, but that's what I'm gonna do, so it like has more effect. So after this, you just save the video. Make sure when you're saving, you have like the best quality. So pick HD. So after this video, I would show you, after this tutorial, I'll show you how it looks like in the end. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna have more content. So that's how it looks like. Don't forget to subscribe.